value system, living from values of honesty, not because the prophet tells me, but because I want to. And that gives me meaning. And if you don't have to answer, all these questions at once. You can live in the uncertain, the unknown, until something aligns with you. And it may may take 5 minutes, it may take 5 years. It is what it is. Just be curious. Just be willing to learn and grow. I think that's the biggest thing I learned about traditional 12-step programs was being willing to be willing. Yeah, and that has helped me in my personal, professional life. So after all these years, getting sober is not the end, right? Getting sober, staying sober, it's really emotional sobriety that is the most important thing. So sobriety's given me the opportunity to look at my life, the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? So if you're watching this and you're sober and you don't believe in God, that's okay. You're not alone. You don't have to pretend. You don't have to sit in the meetings and pretend to believe in a higher power that the person next to you does. And you can still get sober, and you can still have a happy life. You can ask questions. You can find a community, even within traditional 12-step programs that have the same spirituality beliefs, or atheist, agnostic, where you can kind of let your shoulders down and like, these are my people. They get it. If you're coming from a place of history, of religious trauma like I did, be gentle with yourself. Okay, this is going to take time. And when you hear the word surrender, this is surrendering to your autonomy. This is your time to learn about yourself. You can let go without giving away your ability to think for yourself, right? You don't need to lose your voice. I'm incredibly grateful for the life sobriety has provided for me. And this channel, we're going to be talking about religious trauma, identity, what happens when you decide to build a life that you actually resonate with, that belongs to you. We're going to go deep into religious trauma recovery. There's a free assessment. It's 2 minutes. Check out if any of these symptoms are showing up for you. All right. Thanks.